Thank you. What? Oh my God! Yo!
Pounce, pounce, pounce. Yes! Boom! Found him! Fucking... Good,
Oh, it's got a whole sausage. Oh!
See, all this bed, those get lost in Nigeria that day. All this bed, those get lost in Nigeria, no Nigeria that day. See, I don't dey like this. They eat. Bed just come, collect my food. Only God know why be saying now. Now white people now you get 10 pass. You go see white people, you go to see bed, you go see how they fly, they walk out for ground, say very crowd day. But why for Nigeria here, they try am. I bet they fear. They fear the human being of Nigeria. They fear for the human being of Nigeria. Because no why. I don't go tell you the complete story because you say when they watch me. If you not say in Nigeria, say be Africa, you supposed not I tell you. But now meat stop boku everywhere. Meat stop boku everywhere. Because make it make sense say you don't do the chop. Maybe that will be your last thing where you go take hold yourself throughout that day. Bird from nowhere, we don't carry am. Because say they pull us, say if they see you maltreating all this animal or kill the bird for outside country, if they kill see you may you kill the bird or try eat them to say they will arrest you. It's against the law. So they can arrest you. Now make them now, now make all this bird now get weed. Because say if I kill you, because say if I do anything to you, they will arrest me. Now make you get my home, collect my food. Nigeria, yeah. Call Nigeria. That's when I don't get that call Nigeria, can't try. No wonder a cast for Nigeria, a cast. Na hardly we take the sea bird where land. Na hardly you go to see bird where land. Hardly. You go to see am from up. You know go to see am where land anyhow because they fear. Before you go even go near it, don't run. But this one, they come close to human being. All the white people when they come close to human being. Ha.